Most people quit when it hurts, but not you. You kept walking, even when the world tried to break you. You've carried pain quietly, the kind that doesn't show on the surface. You've had nights where you questioned everything. Nights where giving up felt easier than breathing. But even then, you didn't stop. You kept moving. One step, then another. Not because you weren't tired, but because you weren't done. You fought battles no one applauded. You rebuilt yourself in silence. And every time life knocked you down, you rose a little stronger. That's when something changed. You stopped running from the storm and started walking into it because you realized something powerful. The storm wasn't your enemy. It was your training ground. Every hardship sharpened you. Every failure taught you. Every setback forged you. And now, you're not the same person who started. You're the one who kept going. The one who didn't quit. The one who refused to break. You've been underestimated, ignored, counted out. But every doubt only fueled your discipline. Every setback only strengthened your resolve. Every lonely night only made your mind sharper. You learned to stand alone. You learned to rise without applause. You learned to grow without validation. And in that silence, your discipline became dangerous. You stopped waiting for motivation. You stopped waiting for the perfect moment. You stopped waiting for someone to save you. You became your own rescue, your own fire, your own force. And now look at you, still standing, still fighting, still rising. Even when the world tried to bury you, you grew roots. Even when the storm tried to drown you, you learned to breathe underwater. Even when life tried to break you, you rebuilt yourself stronger. You're not here by accident. You're here because you refused to stay down. You're here because you chose discipline over comfort. You're here because you kept going long after others quit. Remember this. Warriors aren't born. They're built. Built in storms. Built in silence. Built in pain. Built in moments no one sees. And now, you're becoming unstoppable. Not because you're fearless. Because you move forward even when you're afraid. Not because you're perfect. But because you rise every time you fall. Not because the path is easy. But because you refuse to walk away from your destiny. So keep going. Keep rising. Keep becoming the version of yourself you once thought was impossible. Your story isn't over. Your strength isn't finished. Your transformation has barely begun. And one day, they'll look at you and swear it happened overnight. But you'll know the truth. You earned every step, every scar, every victory, every breath. You're the one who kept going, and that's why you'll win.